People's Assembly do things differently, don't we? Politics is fun. So we came here today to Chris Green's office. He was inside the office, and we just cast a few spells and a few curses on his Tory majority to make it into a minority. Really, that's what we hope for the next general election. People in this constituency are sick of the Tories, just like the rest of us. Universal credit is an absolute tragedy, and when Chris Green came out of the office, he actually had nothing to say to anybody, and I think that's probably true of his whole political career here.
We came here today because it's a living nightmare for the people of this constituency. They're living this nightmare every single day, and we came along in solidarity because Theresa May is the walking dead. She's not got long to go, so hopefully she leaves this land, and we've been casting spells to make sure that her passage is swift and that she soon leaves and vanishes from this constituency. He did scamper in the other direction because he felt the love, he felt the solidarity, and if there's one thing that Tories hate solidarity. And they feel solidarity, and they know that we're here to support each other and other people, and they don't understand it. They don't like it, and they have to run away because they need to be on their own, just looking after themselves.
This office is now being cursed by the witches and wizards of the People's Assembly. Chris Green, Tories, out.